With Netlify's agent runners, you can prompt for a change to your project, see a live preview of the change, and deploy it to your site, all directly from your Netlify dashboard. To try this out, we'll start with a site you can deploy instantly using Netlify Drop. This is our drag and drop tool that lets you deploy a folder of site files from your computer to a live URL in seconds. Let's start. Head to Netlify Drop, download the personal portfolio demo, and upload it right back into Drop. Once it deploys, open up your project. You can access agent runners from the project overview page, where I'm using it in this demo, or from the agent runs page in the navigation. Now let's run our first task. The prompt I'll be using is to add a one-line description to my card component across the whole site. As soon as that's running, you can wait for it to complete, or you can start a second task, because agent runners handle tasks asynchronously. For my second task, I'm going to replace the main profile image and let the agent optimize it for the web and update it everywhere it appears. So my prompt could be, replace the profile image on the homepage with my image, optimize my image size and quality, and update the alt text. This is a good example of how you don't need to sit and wait for tasks to complete. You can line up multiple changes, switch between tasks, or go do something else entirely while they run. When a task finishes, you'll see a preview of the change. You can refine the result with another follow-up task. And when everything looks good, publish to update your live site. We're excited for agent runners to help you ship faster than ever. Try your first run in the dashboard and let us know how it improves your workflow.